In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your first dropshipping store from scratch. But here's the twist. We'll be using an AI-powered tool called StoreBuild.ai to build the entire store for us. That means no headaches, no technical hassles, and you don't need any prior experience to get started. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Now, first things first. What exactly is StoreBuild.ai and how does it work? It's a powerful platform designed to create Shopify stores effortlessly using artificial intelligence. You'll enter some basic business details like your store name, niche, and preferred style. From there, the AI will generate a complete, fully optimized store ready to go. Whether you're into fashion, gadgets, or pet products, StoreBuild.ai customizes your store to fit your niche perfectly. To get started, simply click the link in the description, and that will bring you here to the StoreBuild.ai homepage, where you'll see an overview of how the platform works. But for now, let's go step by step. So after clicking the link, you'll now be here wherein you can start picking your niche. You can go for clothing, pet, tech, home, sports, or you could go for need inspiration. As for this video, we'll be going along with need inspiration and see what it got for us. And then once you have selected your niche, then you want to click on Build My Free Store. And from here, all you have to do is just provide your basic details like your first name, email, and phone number. And once all of these are provided, you simply want to click on Create Your Free Account. You can also opt for agreeing to receive marketing recurring text messages, so if you'd like some promotional messages, you can click here, but this is just optional. Alright, so now once you're done with that, the next thing that we'll be doing is that we'll be completing these 8 simple steps. So first is that we need to pick a niche. So we have already done this, and then pick a color, which is right now, and pick a banner, and then set up our Shopify account, and then Shopify link and import winning products, and then the building of our store. And then finally, we'll be publishing it into the public or go live. So in here, we're in step 2, which is to pick a color. So in this case, I'll just go for the orange one because I think it's very attractive and bright. So I'm going to click here on this button where it says Next right here, and now we're on to the next step. This time, we'll be picking a banner. So in here, we have our banner styles here on the left side. We can scroll down to see our choices. So in my case, I'll just go for a very simple one, but slick design. I'm going to go for maybe this one right here because I like that there are 3 images for the banner, so I'm just going to choose that. And I'm going to click here on Next right here on the Next button, so that we can proceed to the next step and claim my Shopify store. So click here. Now we'll be setting up our Shopify account. So now in here, we must select a Shopify plan to make sales. Try Shopify for free for 3 days, and you'll pay $1 per month only for the first 3 months. So this is a really sweet deal where you can access any plan here in Shopify for only $1 per month for the first 3 months. So yeah, it's very cheap, so just create your Shopify account from here. StoreBuild.ai doesn't provide you a paid Shopify account subscription. It only gives you a simple, hassle-free, and easy way in building your store. So from here, we can click here on Register on Shopify to create our Shopify account. And from here, we can now enter our email address. I have now entered mine, so I'm going to click here on Start Free Trial. And now in here, we just simply need to provide our password for our Shopify account, so let me just provide mine. And now once you're done providing your password, click on Create Shopify Account. And now we just need to answer these simple questions. So where would you like to sell? I'm going to go for an online store, click on Next. And which best describes you? And I'm going to go for I'm already selling. And the size of your business is small, and I'm going to go for I'm not using any platform. And for what do you plan to sell? In my case, I'll just go for dropshipping products and click on Next right there, because we will be dropshipping here using StoreBuild.ai, which will be importing our winning products. And now in here, we will now choose the best plan for us. So as you can see, all of them are only $1. So we can go for the basic, we can go for Shopify, or the advanced one. So I suggest that you go for advanced so that you could maximize your plan, or this promo rate here, wherein it's only $1, which is their most expensive plan. So click here on Try Advanced, and then from here, all we have to do now is provide our payment information. So let me just provide mine. All right. So now, once you have provided your payment information and now you have paid for your subscription, which means you are now subscribed, and then you should now see this right here wherein you would be able to get on into your Shopify dashboard. And then now you want to go back into the Store Build AI, and then the next button should now be lighting up green. So now you want to click on this one, and now we can proceed into activating our Shopify plan. So Shopify will automatically close any account that does not have an active subscription. Claim your $1 per month off Shopify. So we have already activated this, so I'm going to click here on I have activated it. Now let's set up our Shopify link. So in here, let's link our Shopify store to Zendrop application. So basically, we need to copy the store URL of our Shopify as shown in the screenshot, and then basically, we'll just go here in the dashboard, and copy this link right here. It's that simple. And then go back in the store build and then just paste your admin link right here and click on the Save button. And then you'll be able to see that your Shopify store has now been saved successfully. Next, you want to click on the Next button here where we'll be importing our winning products. So we'll need to follow the steps to activate. So simply click on Activate Zendrop below and follow the steps to complete the setup. So click here. And then from here, just wait for it to load and we should now be in here into the Zendrop page wherein we can now install this into our store. So click on Install button. And from here, we would need to wait for this to load again. And then we would have the Install button once again right here. So click on it and then it will now be installed into our Shopify store because Store Build AI uses Zendrop in importing our winning products. So make sure that you click on Approve right here. So now we have now successfully installed this. Let's go back in here. And then as you can see right here, we now have the Next button available. So click on Next is Store Build. And then now here it is. So now we can build our store. So click on Next Go Live and our AI will work its magic to build your store. No designers or coders needed. Get everything you need for free in building your store. So click here on Next Go Live and then as you can see right here, it says Action Required. Approve subscription to continue. To keep building your store, please approve your Zendrop subscription in Shopify. We have already approved this. I'm going to click here on I have approved it. And from here, we will now be into the next step. Click here on Next Go Live. So in here, you would be able to see an offer to get deluxe theme of Store Build AI for $97, and then you would get these premium features. But if you don't want this, then you just simply click here on Decline Offer, and then we can continue on our process and click here on Go Live again. And as you can see right here, all we have to do now is wait, because AI is now building our store, and this can take up to a minute. All right, our Shopify store design is complete now. As you can see, Store Build AI has added the banners, products, and some text as well. Next, we only need to make some little adjustments like adding our own logo, changing some text contents, images, etc. Also, we will need to work on the product page as well. The current product page looks very basic, so we need to work on that. I have already created a detailed tutorial on Shopify product page customization, so make sure to follow that video and prepare a high-converting product page. The video link is given in the video description, and once you do that, you only need to publish your store. So click here on Access Shopify and Publish, and then you'll be prompted in here. And from here, what you need to do is click on Remove Password. And from here, you would now remove the limit to access to visitors with password. And then once you're done with that, you just simply want to make sure that it is saved. As you can see, it is now open to everyone, which means it's now saved. Now you want to click here on the Next Success button. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations on launching your brand new e-commerce store. We have now completed the process on creating our Shopify store with AI. Starting your dropshipping store has never been easier with Store Build AI, so if you're ready to jumpstart your business, click the link in the description to get started. It's a simple, stress-free way to launch a professional Shopify store. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.